On this episode of the Fell Engine project, I start work on the frame, cutting the frame plates out of 3mm steel plate. The first job was to use the plasma cutter to roughly cut the plates to size. I square the plates that I've roughly cut to size on the mill. Once both plates were square, I could tack them together so I could cut them both at the same time. I clamped the plates to the welding table for tacking to ensure they remain tight together. I then marked out the plate for cutting. Finally I could start cutting. I used a 12mm end mill for the larger slots. Then it was time to change the ER32 collet chuck and end mill for a drill chuck and start drilling the many holes. For each hole I started with a spotting drill and then followed that with the actual drill size, in this case 2.5mm. The spotting drill is a small rigid drill bit used for starting holes. The hole positions were located using the digital readout on the mill. For the larger holes I started with a drill bit and then followed that with a boring head, which I incrementally opened up the holes with. Boring heads are adjustable to any size, with this model up to 50mm. For the mid-size holes, I started with the spotting drill again, then followed that with a mid-size drill, in this case 10mm, and then finally the actual drill size, in this case 22mm. At this point, I switch back to the end mill to cut out the final shape of the plate. Once the plate was cut, I could use the belt grinder to clean up some of the curved corners. Then I finished the shaping with hand files. Finished the final cuts with a hacksaw and filing. And there we have it, the 540mm long frame plates ready for assembly. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.